with a whale, and the whale fell in love with a bird. The bird loves the whale's beautiful smile. The bird loves when the whale swings gracefully into the ocean. The whale loves the bird's handsome blue fur. And the whale loves when the bird soars into the sky. And they love eating little fish too. All summer, they talk in the bay. They talk, they talk, they talk. They talk about the moon. They talk about the stars. They talk about the ocean. And they talk about the ships. The bird made a joke and made the whale laugh. And the whale sang a song that made the bird cry. Even though the bird didn't know why.
One day, you can meet my family in the ocean.
Said the whale. And one day, you could meet my friends on the land. Said the bird. Everything was going perfect, but the world does not stop spinning just because a bird falls in love with a whale. Summer turned into autumn, and autumn turned into winter. The ocean turned cold, and all the whales left for warmer waters.
Come with me to warm waters. There are so many places to eat, and there are worms.
Said the whale. Okay, I'll come with you. Because it's warm, and I love you. I will follow you everywhere. But first, teach me how to be a whale. Said the bird. Okay.
Okay, like this.
As the whale dived deep into the ocean, the bird saw that and tried to dive deep in the ocean too. As he dived deep into the ocean, he always turned into surface and gasping out. He tried again, and again, swimming and diving, but he always ran out of breath. I don't think a bird can never be a whale, said the bird. How about you come with me into the cliff? It's warm and it's nice out there. Okay, said the whale. But
First, can you teach me how to be a bird?
bird said, okay, like this. And the bird flies up into the sky, flying on his wings. The whale tried it too. She flapped her face up and down, and she closed her eyes.
I'm flying.
And she laughed.
I'm a bird.
As soon as she opened her eyes, she was still on water. And she said,
I don't think a whale can never be a bird.
bird said, so if you can fly and I can swim, how can we be together? The whale said,
We can stay here in the ocean.
but the bird shook his head sadly and said, you love to swim and dive deep into the ocean. This place is not meant for you. That is what you love to do. And the whale said,
You love fly over the sky too. This place is not meant for you. That is what you love to do.
and because the bird loves the whale, they love each other, they say goodbye. And every time a bird flying saw a whale diving into the ocean, he thinks of her bird, and he thinks of her whale. And every time the whale saw a bird flying, she thinks of his bird. That's all. So the moral of the story is don't be ashamed from bird is only for bird, the whale is only for whale.